Cooking Ttukbaegi was a total disaster.
Jesus. Diabetes.
Potato noodles.
I'm not at all. After you put 8 sugar.
I'm not used to eating black food.
This is how it started, but before we continue, welcome to Samara TV. In today's video, we are going to be cooking Ttukbaegi bulgogi. Here is the menu alongside the ingredients for the cooking. Now we started with the preparation for the food.
So you're getting my hand very well.
Yeah, so my hand itself they pain.
Sorry. Four cups of boiling water.
1 cup, 2 cup, 3.
Mama, can I start? Yes, you can. Why not? Okay, well.
Now blood. But now cook. Diabetes. Jesus.
From the handshake kit recipe guide, we were to mix all the ingredients and turn the beef inside for it to marinate.
I can't lie, it's really smelling nice.
God.
I'm gonna do the chop.
It's looking like etomba.
Jesus.
This is potato noodles.
Sugar, come on, I see it. Maybe.
God.
You want to?
Looking like etomba. It's transparent.
Jesus. Now plastic, they don't give us chop like this. Now plastic. Oh, you wanna put this?
Let me record you when you're testing that one. Okay.
Jesus.
I lost the clip where I turned the beef with the ingredients, but this is me placing the mixture inside the fridge for it to marinate faster.
Come on, the frying machine.
I did not wait for 30 minutes. I'm tired of waiting.
Well, how many minutes do you wait for?
Do you know these people said nothing about water? I don't understand.
I want to microwave it.
Food where I know sabi cook. Oh, now microwave it for what? So I'm supposed to put everything on. No. The Nigerian in me is not allowing me to do it like that. After a while, I'll come back and put everything. They didn't even say anything about what I said. Okay.
For turn, maybe because you're not turning.
I guess.
You don't add that much water. I'm not, I don't spoil this thing.
You know they're not so shy. They lost anything.
Nigeria and you came out my first. I bet add that salt again or sugar.
No, I've tasted it. It's okay without
Don't they enter my nose?
Don't now. When you started since Jesus, this is a red flag.
That's a situation from my phone.
Yes, it was not too funny enough.
See, add water, but what's this?
Sugar, I bring my phone. I want to make snap. I better call this camera.
Don't see it.
Are you sure you're getting this thing well?
I'm getting it, my sister.
Wait. Bring. I need to snap it. Come closer. Looking like it's one. Black noodles. Hey, bless, I know cook am well.
Yeah, you don't add water.
It's not water. I don't know if this is how it's supposed to look. Let me check the carton.
It's not like that. So that's why I asked if it was right.
I think they added what's in now. It's just like that tteokbokki. It did not dry. Our own is dry. I think I should add water. And their meat is much.
Or maybe they added more in this one.
Or maybe it's because of that soy.
They're supposed to say add water if it was like that.
No. Wallahi, I don't understand this food. It's seeming like I cooked nonsense, but until now, even agree to eat this.
I swear, I'm too mad. Cora, this video.
Video all their expression. We are going upstairs.
Eh? You are.
Now. Eh?
This is what we give here.
I beg now.
And I'm going to
I'm not used to eating black food.
Say I'm not eating black food.
It's not bad.
After you put 8 sugars, I expect it to be bad.
Nah, how come you?
Korean.
I don't know.
Korean. It's not
I don't know. You know, I finally read this thing.
Oh, Google now be as well toilet. Should we have that their ramen spoon?
No, we don't.
I misplaced it. I see it for my head.
Eh?
Ew.
I don't know.
No, it's not good. The video is not clear like that. Ring light is supposed
Remove
to
the ring light.
Guys, this is not toy, bro.
I don't want to use silicone.
Even when I tasty, you're so hard, eh? Let me go and give to auntie.
Until this is just
I'm
good.
captured. I'm going to go down.
The meat is good.
What's this one?
Mushrooms.
Finally, I decided to test this food, and man,
It's too sweet.
It's sweet, oh,
Don't
but
use it too much.
I say you know silicone.
you can hold me. I drink water, I beg. Why you drink water?
I don't like it.
Wow.
It's
The
punishment.
ingredient is too much. It's too much.
He said, they tell me it.
and that is it about today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment whatever that you observed in this video, and subscribe so that you'll be getting information, notification anytime I post videos just like this one. Annyeong.